Hi, thanks for checking out our consultant on-call service. We think you'll really like it. It's really, really useful for second opinions or being on site and needing a response or needing an answer and not having to set up a meeting and drive back to the building and wait for somebody to show up and then see your bill and be paying them for travel time and all those sorts of things. With the power of your phone or your tablet, where you can use the video conference feature and be actually looking at the problem, and you can ask me directly, hey Jens, does this look right to you? Is this a leak? Is this crack anything to be worried about? Here's what the contractor did today. Does it look right? Or after seeing the deflection on this deck, do you think I need an engineer to come out and take a look at this and write up details? So real easy questions. The majority of our questions are answered in the 15-minute or less package, and it's just you get on, we say hi, we look at your problem, we give you a solution. If we can't figure it out, or if we need you to provide more information, we can say, send us some more info, we'll get back to you, or we can put a proposal together to address that. Sometimes you actually do need, an invasive investigation, or you do need x-rays, so to speak, to really understand what's going on with your building. We can't do that with just a visual face-to-face. But this service is really for that face-to-face snapshot, or some clients are using it for a meeting. Hey, gents, would you virtually come to our meeting? Listen to what the rest of the team is saying, listen to what the rest of the board is saying. Can you provide some insight and guidance to what we're talking about? And we have a few different packages. The biggest package allows you to send me a report ahead of time. I'll review it, and then I'll be prepared for that meeting. And so it's kind of a nice review the documents, come to the meeting, give us your opinion, and then we can go from there. So check it out. We think you'll like it. Thanks for watching.